What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. Today's Worm Wednesday. This is going to be the 49th feeding. So we're going to hop right in, check out how the food from last week's looking. Oh, there's that pumpkin stem. It's one of those pieces of citrus. There's two more. Yeah, I guess there was a good amount of citrus in that last feeding. But the worms are doing their thing. They're still in that area, so it's not too bad. I had to take off, I added that cover the last time, so I still don't have any newspaper for this one, but I should have a coffee filter to add. So I'm just going to go ahead, move this over to the corner for right now, mix this all up and see how everything's looking. Ooh, that's a nice size worm there. There's the last little bit of that banana. Okay, so definitely the feeding's looking pretty good. I'm adding a ton of bedding because this level keeps dropping, and I've been adding different things like the egg cartons and like the toilet paper rolls, but it just keeps really dropping. So with adding that much, I'm going to shoot just a little bit of water on there. So here's today's feeding. It has strawberries that were frozen. It has some rosemary that I was trying to see if I could root so I could take a couple plants down for my brother, but they went ahead and didn't make it, so they're getting added in. The frozen banana, and you can see they're pretty mushy already. The pulp from the juicer looks like some carrots and then some green vegetables and then a couple of the citrus peels. So this is an all-around kind of diverse feeding for them. I figured it's been a little while since I used this grit, so I figured I'd break it back out. It's the azomite, ground up azomite. There's lots of trace minerals, and then the worms can go ahead and use that as a grit. When they go ahead and consume the grit and then wiggle around, that's going to go ahead and help to crush the food that's in their crop and their gizzard. They don't have teeth like us, so they need something to help break down that food for them. Pop my glove back on so I can get these food scraps buried. So yep, so just making sure all the food scraps are buried. I'm probably going to need to add at least another handful of bedding like that again on the next feeding to really help bulk this bedding back up for these worms. Can't believe we're at the 49th feeding already. If you guys have any questions, don't forget dropping down in the comments. This is probably one of my favorite bins right now. The other bins that I have are just some totes And then I actually did start 2 other bins for my Master Gardener class. I'll probably eventually show them, but for right now I'm just kind of documenting and keeping them to the side, because eventually I'm going to end up trying to show a class through the extension office. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.